What's up, everybody? This is Al Phillips. I'm going to show you how you could turn these files here into thumbnails. And I don't know about you, I hate to have all of these PDF files everywhere, and I can't tell the difference between any of them. And I'm notorious for you see having these names of the files that's just these crazy names. And I like to see what they are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to turn these PDF files into thumbnails. So this is how you do it. All right, you open it first, go to menu. And once you go to menu, scroll down here to preferences. And once you go to preferences, it's already here. But make sure you click here on general. And once you go to general, you read down here, it says enable PDF thumbnail previews in Windows Explorer. So you click there. Okay, so now you got to go down, I think down to the bottom down here and save preferences. So make sure you do that. That's important. Hit OK. Are you sure you want that? Yes. All right. Yes. And so now I'll go back to my desktop and look at the PDFs. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. Show you how to do it.